Hello, hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Abby.
Abby. And?
Jake.
Jake. Welcome to Skydive, Colorado Springs. What are we doing here today?
Going skydiving.
Woo! First time?
Yep.
Me too. Are we celebrating anything or just having fun or what?
My 30th.
Happy birthday! All right. So is there anyone you want to give a shout out to who's watching your video back home?
Sorry, Mom and Dad.
Did you tell me you're doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You're a good kid then. All right, well, let's go up a couple miles. We're gonna fall out of an airplane and we're gonna try and slow down before we smash into the planet. Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Here we go. Woo!